What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing Lorenzo's Razz for the sweet Messier scripted sticks 1314. So guys, I will go down here and we will get our first timestamp. Sorry about that delay. I was taking my dog for a walk. It's 4:37. 4:37 here in Denver, Colorado. So we got Mr. Stu on top, Mr. Stu on the bottom, the ultimate Messier collector. Figured he'd be in this. Stu on top, Stu on the bottom, no spaces in between. Guys, we're going 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Edward on top after 2. Get our second timestamp. That was in at 4:37. Still 4:37. And guys, the final timestamp, final random. Good luck, everyone. Jared, spot number 7. He one spots it. Congratulations, Jared. That final timestamp is in at 4:38. It's 4:38. Guys, again, 3 times. Jared, spot 7. Congratulations.